Hello everyone, we are Nusantara project team 66 and our project topic is the factors influencing consumers' purchase decision on food delivery applications. It's a study about the Grab food and let us to introduce to you.
Hello, I'm Yang Haihong. I will briefly introduce the background and research object of this article. First of all, the food delivery industry has penetrated into various aspects of people's lives. Nowadays, almost all daily necessities can be delivered through the food delivery industry. This time, we mainly analyzed and studied the local takeout apps in Malaysia. The main delivery platform in Malaysia now include Grab, Panda, and Exact. And people have their own preference for fixed combinations for various reasons, and people have their own preference for fixed combinations for various reasons. This article will analyze these reasons.
Now I will discuss the literature review of our project. Through literature review, we found that Jane et al. 2021 reported many factors influencing consumer behavior, including psychological, social, cultural, and economic factors. Our literature review starts from psychological factors, social factors, and cultural factors. The psychological factors of consumers to use GrabFood to order food online include time saving, convenience, variety of food types, and meeting consumer social needs. Lastari and Genevieve reported in 2021 that there is a significant relationship between psychological factors and consumer behavior performance. So we put forward the first hypothesis. Psychological factors are positively associated with consumer buying behavior. The second social factors. The influence of social factors on consumer online ordering may be that through the influence of family or friends, consumers are willing to use and try GrabFood online ordering. Lee et al. Reported in 2019 that social factors are determining factors that positively influence consumer willingness to continue use food delivery application. So we assume social factors are positively associated with consumer buying behavior. And the third is the cultural factors. In customer buying behavior, consumers with different cultural background will show differentiated value orientation in the process of consumer behavior, thus forming different attitude and buying decision-making behaviors. The research by Wen Xiao et al. In 2019 shows that nation culture does affect consumers' willingness to purchase online, and Malaysia is a country with multi-ethnic culture. So our third hypothesis is cultural factors are positively associated with consumer buying behavior.
Hello everyone, I'm Xu Xiaopeng. Now let's continue to talk about the three-part research method. We use a questionnaire survey to conduct the service analysis on the 154 participants. We promise that the relevant data of this questionnaire survey will only be used to analyze the relevant factors. Regarding the method of data analysis, participant demographics, gender, age, range, work expressions, and education level were analyzed using the frequency distribution. In addition, we have divided the question in the questionnaire into the three parts. The first one is psychological factors. The number two is the social factors, and the number three is cultural factors. Apart from it, we use them as independent variables to create the model of their impact on the customers. Then we intend to use path to multiple regression analysis, linear regression analysis, reliability analysis, and other related analysis methods. Finally, based on the result, the influencing factors are summarized and discussed.
This part is of result. The first point behavior is complex and variable, and the result of our learning regression analysis show that determining factors determining customer order are purchase behavior are more likely to come from cultural factors and engagement is production strategy. Graph should relate its production to their culture's context. For example, America have a lighter plate and second point, for example, foods such as a lighter plate and prefer raw in Malaysia. On the other hand, the Malays are mostly Muslim. In Malaysia, on the other hand, the Malays are mostly not use pork. But many chicken meals don't fish. The best choice are offered to customers to suit their cultural backgrounds according to the taste of the different cultural background. According to the taste of the different cultures, customer order. This part is of discussion. The study found that 67.7% of respondents in two countries, Malaysia and Indonesia, felt that GrabFood had brought great convenience to their life. And the success of the questionnaire is that it was able to identify the cultural factors that accounted for a greater proportion of the behavioral factors that consumers used to place GrabFood orders. Next, I will summarize this article. Takeout has brought great convenience for people's life and penetrated into people's life. Through our data analysis, the main factors affecting people's fixed collocation are psychological, cultural, social, and so on, and who show a positive collocation. Speed and convenience are the key to the success of Grab and others. Due to the limited number of investigations, the number of investigations should be expanded in the future. A single factor should also be analyzed later to obtain more accurate conclusion.